Yechi, if you're seeing this, you made my day.
Yeah, yeah.
Holla, good morning, good morning. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to another video. If it's your first time stopping by, I am Nami Extra, a YouTuber based in Manchester, UK. Today's video is going to be a vlog. I am so tired. I don't even know how I'm hyped like this in the morning, whereas I'm tired. I slept really late by 2 a.m. but I had to wake up because it's Vlogmas and I'm trying to get content out there for you guys. So the plan today is to surprise a friend. This is the Christmas season, and also I'm a very huge advocate for just appreciating the people in your life that make efforts and all of that. So I'll be surprising a friend of mine today. I want to make a nice meal and take it to his. I want to grill fish, but here's it. I have some tilapia in the freezer, but I know my friend is going to or likes catfish instead, so I want to rush to the African shop now and hopefully see catfish. If I don't see it, then I'm going to have to go with the tilapia. But yeah, that's the plan for today, so come along with me. Appreciate the people in our lives that care about us, and yeah. So I just checked the time when the bus is coming, because I want to take a bus to the Salford shopping center and it's going to take about 20 minutes. So why not do an unboxing? It's going to take about 20 minutes, so let's unbox some things that I got from Amazon. And I just moved into my new place, so I was trying to get like new pots and stuff, and a friend was like, oh, let me get that for you. This one thing that I'm saying about friends, like just being there and the people that support you and all of that. If you have not watched my life update and everything, how I got scammed and all the crazy things that happened trying to get a house, go and watch it. But I'm really appreciative of the people that stood there and were there for me. So the first thing that I got is this Ambush home knife. To get this knife, the struggle. Amazon was asking me questions, how old am I and all of that and da da da. But yeah, so let's open this. And I'm trying to get back into cooking and making food content as well. So ooh, it's giving chef, it's giving chef. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see it? Ooh, careful. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 knives. I'm ready to chef. I love it. It's really nice. And the best place that I could get knives were on Amazon. In my previous place, I went to town before to get knife, and I got like a bread knife. It's terrible, but to do like food content and you need like different kinds of knives, and these knives, they seem very sharp. So let's unbox the cards. Can you guys tell I'm excited? But I'm also scared because on the reviews online, people were like, oh, it was not working on their top and all of that. So I'm hoping that these work. Ooh.
This one, that one, wanna talk about it, baby. They trying to understand how you got me, but nobody needs to know. closer and get a sense about it, but nobody needs to know. Nobody needs to know. We're gonna outshine.
It has a fry pan. Oh, this looks so nice and solid. Can you guys see that? Beautiful. Scrumdiddly yum yum. It also has these pots. I finally have a big pot. Even though, like, from the picture, I expected to have 2 big pots, so I didn't get. But like, it's nice. I love the fact that it has this wooden side to it. It just adds like an extra touch. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to do content with this pot. Let's see. These people want to break my heart. I thought they were like 2 big pots. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on Amazon, because I have so many small pots already. But like, this is beautiful. It feels really nice and solid. I'm going to try it in a minute if it works on the gas top. Now, these pots are smaller than I expected, but look at this. It's lovely. They just look like some very cute pots. I think I'm going to have to buy a bigger pot, like 1 big pot. It has another fry pan. So 2 fry pans and 3 pots. I was thinking 1 pot was bigger than this. These people, Amazon. Okay, Amazon. How many times have I called your name? Because what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. And then we have the covers of the pots, obviously. Let me clear up the space. Covers of the pots. This is what it looks like. It's beautiful, isn't it? Love it. So guys, this is what we have. It also comes with a manual. It says, first use, before you use your cooker for the first time, wash it in hot soapy water with a sponge or rinse and dry. Wash it with hot water, yeah. Utensils used with pan. Utensils you use with pan with non-stick interior. Your new cooker has a premium non-stick coating on the interior. Blah 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 blah. Cooking induction cooker. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm going to have to wash them thoroughly later. But now, for now, I just want to try if at all it works on my cooking hood or cooking top. So I'm just going to take one of the pots, just put a little bit of water, turn on the cooker, and then we see if it works. Because based on some of the reviews, some people are saying, oh, the pot doesn't work on this, da 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 da. But so I have just 1 big pot. I thought there were going to be 2 big pots, but guys, let's just go.
This one, that one, wanna talk about it, baby. They trying to understand how you got me, but nobody needs to know. Nobody needs to know. Looking really attractive.
The good thing is my cooker just heats without the pot being on it. But let's see if this works. Let's see if the water is going to get hot. Then we will know if it works or not. Yes, the pot works. The water is heating up. You can see the vapor, so it really does work. I'm happy. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that I got just 1 big pot. I was expecting all of those to like 2 big pots, and then even the fry pan on the picture looks so big. But I'm glad that it works. I have to rush now and get going. As you guys have seen, the pod works. I'm really happy. Now I have to rush and get the bus so we can continue with Ade and pull up a surprise. Come with me, come.
I've always made a fool. I was good to you. Now should be my story. I've always made a fool. Crazy, my baby. I'm waiting.
Guys, if you see me smiling, I just met one of my faves, a YouTuber. I just met her in person and she's just the sweetest. But right now I'm on my way to the African shop like I told you guys, and she also invited me for her graduation, so I'll be going there tomorrow. Found out that we live in the same building. Yechi, if you're seeing this, you made my day. I'm dramatic, I know, but like she's really nice in person.
This one, that one, wanna talk about it. They ain't trying to understand how you got me, but nobody needs to know. Nobody needs to know. Looking real attractive, so they asking about me. Trying to get a little closer and get a sense about it, but nobody needs to know. Nobody needs to know. We're gonna outshine today. Yeah, we're gonna light the way. We got that golden glow. We got that golden glow.
Guys, I just got back from the market. I've spent more time than I thought I would, but right now I just want to get the stuff ready. I told my friend I'm going to come by 7 p.m. 6-7, so it's currently 3, I think 3:30 or so I just want to quickly cook. I'm going to change to something comfy. So let me just show you the things I got. So I got this tray. I actually have something else that I can put the fish in it, but I just got this just in case. I also got a number of things, some eggs. I just got some chicken to cook next time. Some semolina because I went to the African shop. Gari is not one of like my favorite thing. I prefer semolina to gari, but just depends. Got some of this for white sauce, this for my smoothies. Got some more bananas, some grapes. I was thinking of making a fruit thingy, but I'm not sure. I think I'll just use the fish. I got some snacks, some Maggi crevette seasoning, more spices. Got some avocado or pear, how we call it back in Cameroon. And of course, the star of the show, I got some fish. I hope this fish will be able to defrost, like, because this is the one I took out of the fridge. It's still not, it's still, this is the one I took out of the fridge. It's still frozen, so I don't know. I'm going to have to maybe find some warm water or so to try to defrost this. So guys, I've changed to what I'm going to, my cooking outfit, and I've just made a little setup because I have a TikTok page where I do like food reels and all of that, and also a food page. so I'll just get straight into it. Okay, I'm going to wash the fish, then prep the seasoning, allow the fish to marinate for a bit, then I can get going. I'll just show you guys what it looks like up close. The things that I'll be using, of course, the catfish. I just have some seasoning here, some tomatoes, and just general stuff. Scotch bonnet, some seasoning, fish seasoning, white pepper, coconut oil, leeks, and all of that. You can include or exclude everything. First of all, this is not a food tutorial, but if you want to see how I made it or like the details and the procedure, then check out the TikTok video that I'm going to do or my food page on Instagram. So let's just get, time is going, it's 4 p.m. now and there's no time. Let's just be fast.
Angels are around me, high tune, I listen. To my soul I am devoted. So I am and flow. I am and flow. I am and flow. Ebb and flow. I am the woman of my own dreams, taking time to truly go and get to know me. Sit in solitude, I journal and I blow tree. Meet my own needs, so I know peace. Know I'm sacred, so divine. I'm patient, I'm alive. Oh, yeah. And flow. I am and flow. I am.
Guys, I just finished cooking. As you can see, I just want to change back to my warm clothes, then Uber and go and drop it. I'm tired at this point. I look like my problems. I am tired. Oi,